A very good morning, my dear students. This is your English teacher, Mrs. Astha Gulati, and today we are going to do the chapter number 11, Jurassic Park Making the Film, video number 3. In this video, children, we will be doing the textual questions and the exercises which we have in the chapter. Page number 114. Write the names of these people in the blanks. Director of the Jurassic Park, Steven Spielberg. Writer of the story, Michael Crichton. Owner of the dinosaur park, John Hammond. Grandchildren of the owner of the dinosaur park, Lex and Tim. Awards the film won, Academy Awards. After that, children, on the next page, page number 115, we have an exercise. Here are the descriptions of 5 other fields of study that end with logy. Choose the names from the box and write them next to the descriptions. The study of Earth and how it has changed over time is geology. The study of different animals and their behaviors, zoology. The study of remains of buildings and other objects to collect information about human life in the past, that is archaeology. The study of the beginning of human beings and their development, anthropology. The study of the beginning and development of the universe is cosmology. On the very next page, children, page number 116, we have the next exercise B. Rearrange these letters with the help of the hints to form words from the passage you read. The first letter is given to help you. So, it's the first word that means that something that tests your ability, that means challenging. Next is well-known, it's legendary. The third one, very loud, deafening. Fourth one, the name of a dinosaur, that is Tyrannosaurus. Next, fifth one, a very rich person. I told you, a very rich person is called a billionaire. Children, in this exercise, the very page number 116, you can see word stress. Now, you can see when we pronounce a noun, the first syllable is pressed, means we pay attention to the first syllable, that is address, the details or location of a particular place. But when we called its address, means if I'm giving a formal speech, that means like our principal addresses the teachers or the students. So it is address. The second syllable is pressurized. So we put where do we put the pressure while speaking a noun or telling a word, pronouncing a word that is a noun or an adjective? The first one is content. That is, what is the content of your letter? The subject matter of a book, speech, essay, poem, letter, whatever. And the next is content, peaceful and satisfied. That is an adjective. Third one, desert, noun. That means a dry land with few plants. Like Rajasthan, you have many deserts are there. Next one, where it is verb, you desert. Desert means to leave something or somewhere, a place. So, desert the place means quickly empty the place. Okay, leave the place. Fourth one, that is extract. Extract, it's a noun. So a selection from a writing, we do always extract from the poem or prose. And that is, next is a verb, that is extract means to remove by pulling, means the bees extract honey from the flowers. Fifth one, present. Present means the first one is a gift. Present, to make an offer. Means I'm going to present you something as a gift, and when we present something means we'll present an PPT or to give an offer. I'm giving you an offer as a present. I'm presenting you something. So it's an offer. That is a verb. Sixth one It's a project, a plan or scheme to do something. It next is a verb, project, to show or make something visible. Project, please project me your work or project me the slides in the PPT. Okay, children, now with the same thing we have at the bottom, the exercise. What did you notice about the pronunciation of nouns and verbs and adjectives? Choose the correct option to complete these sentences. In nouns, children, the first syllable is stressed. Okay, we can see everywhere the first syllable in the nouns is stressed. But in verbs and adjectives, the second syllable is stressed always. On the next page, children, we have page number 117. We have verbs with objects and verb without objects. Read this sentence. Steven Spielberg directed the landmark film Jurassic Park. Here, we are talking about Steven Spielberg. It is the subject. Directed is the verb. And what did he direct? The landmark film Jurassic Park. In most of the sentences, children, in English have the structure subject plus verb plus object in the sentence above. So the subject is followed by a verb which has an object. If the verb does not have an object, it's called an intransitive verb. And if the verb has an object, means what is the verb wanting? A verb has an object. What is the director doing? What did he direct? He directed a landmark film. And here, when I said Steven Spielberg laughed heartily, Steven Spielberg is the subject, laughed is the verb, but heartily is not the object. It is the adverb here. How is he laughing? He is laughing heartily. So heartily here is not considered as an object. It's the adverb. How is the verb doing? How is the work being done? The verb means laugh. Laughing is being done heartily. So heartily is not the object, children. So read the example. In the example above, there is no object of the verb. A verb that does not have an object is called an intransitive verb. You have to see, children. You have to see and understand whether the next thing, it should be a thing, not a word, not an adjective, not an adverb. So when a verb has an object, it's called the transitive verb. And if it does not have any object, it's called an intransitive verb.